Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set that payoff goal in YNAB. All right. So first up, let's just go ahead and add in an account. Okay. If you have linked one of your credit cards right here under your YNAB account, well, it just automatically give you the categories. But if not, you can just go ahead and add it in manually. Just click on add account. Okay, let's say we're trying to pay off a loan. Okay. Give it a nickname. For example, just a personal loan. Okay, select the category or a type of account. Scroll down. Here we have credit accounts, mortgages and loans, personal loan. Okay, now the current balance, let's say I'm just going to go ahead and add in 5,000 with a 3% interest rate. And the monthly payment required by your lender, let's say 200, okay, per month. So once that's done, and by the way, you can add extra payments as a target into your plan later. So just click on next. Now it says here, pair your loan with a plan category. So which category do you want to pair your loan with? Okay, select the category right here and select one. If not, you can just go ahead and create your own. Category name, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it to debt. You can go ahead and rename this one if you want to as well. And the category group, I'm just going to go ahead and select bills. Okay, click on next. Done. Now, as you can see here under bills, should be able to see debt. Okay. And by the way, instead of personal loans, I renamed it as debt. Okay. And here we have the loan section. Now let's click on it. As you can see, the minimum payment of $200 will pay off this loan in 2 years and 2 months. As we have here, the balance remaining. So it just automatically calculates. Okay. Now what we're going to do next is that we're going to go to this category right here. Okay, click on it. Okay, you'll be landed to your plan under bills, debt. So just go to the right-hand side or the right panel right here and just click on create a target. And it says here, how much do you need for debt? When you create a target, we'll let you know how much money to set aside to stay on track over time. Click on create a target. Monthly payment would be 200. The payoff date is February 2028 right here, as it was automatically calculated. Now, if you want to pay it off sooner, let's say 2026 next year by December, okay, this is how much you need to pay per month, right? And you will be able to save a year and 2 months, okay? And when will it happen, or when are you going to pay? Last day of the month, okay? 1st, 19th, 31st. Just gonna go ahead and select last day right here. And once that's done, just click on save target. And you're good to go. Okay. Now, all you need to do is just assign this amount right here to meet your target for this month. Okay. And the current year. Click on assign. There you go. And it's now assigned. All right. So next month, you can go ahead and assign this one as well. And you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you set a debt payoff goal in YNAB. Also, you can go ahead and open payoff simulator right here if you want to. Okay, just click on it. Here we have the graph. Enter the monthly payment, for example, $600. Payoff date right here, for example, December of 2026. Put in December 2026 right here. This will be the amount. Now, if you put in, let's say 600, you'll be debt free on August 2026. Just click on done and you're good to go. And don't worry, it will not change any of your settings right here or categories or amounts. It's just a simulator. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.